Good morning, students. Now we are going to see that in class 7, chapter 2, measurements. We are going to see the shape rhombus. So what is rhombus? Yes, it's look like square. It's look like square. In the square properties, all the sides are equal and every corner it makes 90 degree. Okay, and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. The diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. This is the properties of square. What is? All the sides are equal. Diagonal. What is diagonal? The two corners we meet at one line. This line is called diagonal. So both the diagonals also equal in square. In rhombus, what is the property of rhombus? The same. All the sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. But here the diagonals is not equal. In rhombus, diagonals is not equal. This diagonal and this diagonal. We have two diagonals. It is not equal. But square it is equal. So what is the property of rhombus? All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals is not equal. Diagonals is not equal. And diagonals divide the rhombus into 4 right angle triangles of equal area. This 4 right angle triangle, this 4 area is equal in rhombus. This is the property of rhombus. Now we are going to see that perimeter and area of the rhombus. Already I told. What is the perimeter of the parallelogram? Yes, sum of the sides. All the shapes. Yes, perimeter of the shape of the perimeter is you have to sum of the sides. The rhombus also, perimeter of the rhombus is sum of 4 sides. This, do you see it is also like parallelogram. Parallelogram and rhombus miss told, but both are equal. Yes, but parallelogram opposite sides only equal, but rhombus all the sides are equal. This is also on parallelogram, but that is opposite sides are equal. Here only all the sides are equal. In rhombus all the sides are equal. So we will see area of the rhombus. Yes, area of the rhombus the same. Parallelogram base into height. Base into height. Area of the rhombus also base into height, but sometimes they not given base and height, they give only diagonals. Okay, they not given base and height. If they given diagonals, we have the another formula for rhombus. So area of the rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. What is d? D is diagonal 1. D2 is diagonal 2. Okay. So area of the rhombus, another formula is half into d1 into d2. This is we have rhombus 2 formula. Okay. When we use this formula, yes, if the base and height is given, we use area of the rhombus is base into height. If they not given, if they given diagonal, we use the formula half into d1 into d2. d1 is diagonal 1, d2 is diagonal 2. Now we are going to see that exercise 2.2. So 2.2 second question. So find the area of the rhombus. Find the area of the rhombus whose base is 14 centimeter, height is 9 centimeter. Whenever in measurements they given the question, you have to draw the diagram. It is must. If you draw the diagram, it is easy for finding and you choosing the formula. Okay. Find the area of the rhombus. What is given? Base and height is given. Base and height. Okay. So our solution is, what is given? Base. Base is 14 centimeter. height is 9 centimeter. So you know that area of the rhombus is equal to base into height. If they given base and height, we take the formula base into height. So base is 14 centimeter, height is 9 centimeter. 14 nines are, what is our answer? Yes, 14 nines are 126 square centimeter. 126 square centimeter. Next, we will see the next third question. Find the missing values. Find the missing values. Question number 1. In third subdivision 1, diagonal D1 is equal to 19 centimeter and D2 is 16 centimeter. You have to find the area. So here they given base and height. Here what they given? Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So which one? This is 19. This is 16. First diagonal, longest diagonal is 19. Shortest diagonal is 16. So now what is our area? Yes, area of the rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. D1 into D2. So half into D1 is what? Yes, 19. D2 is 16. D2 is 16. So how we can cancel? So we have to multiple and cancel, and otherwise we have to cancel by 2. So here what number is the two numbers? You have to see, we can cancel by 2. We can divide by 2. So here 1 2 is 2 in 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Now what is there? 19 into 8. What is remaining here? 19, here 8. Because 1 into this, same. So divide by 1 means it is same. So whatever is there, first you cancel by 2 and then multiple. First you cancel by 2 and multiple. So 19 8s are, yes, 9 8s are 72. Remainder 7. 198 plus 7. Yes, 15. So 152 square centimeter. In third one, second question, diagonal D1 is 26 centimeter. D2 is don't know. Area is given. Here what they given? Area given, diagonal 1 given. What is not given? Yes, diagonal 2 it is not given. You know that our solution. So what is area? Area here they given. So what is given? Yes, 468. 400. If they not given, we write the formula. If they given, we have to write the values. Okay. So area is 468. Next step, you write the formula. So what is area of the rhombus? Half into D1 into D2. D1 into D2 is equal to 468. So half into D1 is what? 26. D2 is don't know. D2 we don't know. 468. Next. So we want to know D2. We want to find D2. So what we have to do? D2 you have to keep here. Remaining numbers you have to bring to this equal to this side. Okay. So already what is here? 468 is here. Now we want to bring this. So if 1 by 2 come this side, it will come, how it will come? It comes in reciprocal. It comes in reciprocal 2 by 1. 1 by 2 is comes 2 by 1. Next 26. Yes, here it is multiple means this side division. This side in division it comes this side multiplication. Here it will come 26. It's come 1 by 26. 1 by 26. Do you understand? Here it is in division format. It comes 2 by 1. Reciprocal. Reciprocal na talihili. Opposite varum. 1 by 2 na 2 by 1. 26 na pa divide la edume illa. So here it will come this side, it comes 1 by 26. Now we have to cancel. We can multiple and cancel also, we can do this cancellation also, you can learn, it is easy only. Okay, first we have to cancel the small number. 1 2 is 2. Here 2 table, first I cancel this 5, 2 table. 1 2 is 2. Here 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26. Next what we want to cancel? 468 cancel by 13. So we can numerator only 468, denominator 13. So 113 is 13 here. 3 13s are 39. Remainder 7. Next, yes, 6 13s are 78. 7 8 78. So what is our answer? 36 meter. 36 meter. This cancellation again I will tell. 2 table. First you cancel the 2 table and then you cancel the 13th table. And then you cancel the 13th table. Next we will see the third question. The third question, what is given? Diagonal D1 is not given, but D2 is given. Area is given. So what is our solution? Area is equal to, yes, 180 square millimeter. We know what is the area formula. Half into D1 into D2 is equal to 180. So half into D1 is, don't know. D2 is 12. D2 is 12 is equal to 180. Already I told what we don't know, that we have to keep this side. So D1 we don't know. So remaining we have to bring this side. Already 180 is this side. Next what we have to bring? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comes this side. How it will come? 2 by 1. Next 12, how it will come? Yes, 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Now what we have to do? I told first you cancel by 2 table. First you cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. So remaining what is there? Numerator only 180. 190 into 111. Denominator we have 6. Now you cancel 1 6 6 6. 3 6 are 18. Next 0. So what is 30 millimeter? So D1 is equal to 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. Okay, this is our D1. Next, question number 4. The area of your rhombus is 100 square centimeter and the length of its diagonal is 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other diagonal. So one of the diagonal is given. They told you how to find the other diagonal. So what is given? Area is given. It is 100 square centimeter. One of the diagonal is given. D1 is equal to 8 centimeter. So what is the other diagonal? So we know that area is equal to how much? Yes, 100 square centimeter. Next, area formula, half into D1 into D2 is equal to 100. So half into D1 is what? 8 into D2 is equal to 100. So now what we want to find? Yes, D2. So 100 into the half come this side. How it will come? Yes, 2 by 1. Next 8, how it will come? 1 by 8. Now we have to, first I told you cancel by 2. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Next what is remaining is there? 100 by 4. The 4 table, 100 how many times? 25. So D2 is equal to 25 centimeter. If you feel it is difficult, you can do a normal division and find the answer. Like that also we can do. Next we will see the fifth question. A sweet is in the shape of rhombus. A sweet is in the shape of rhombus whose diagonals are given. Whose diagonals are given 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The surface of the sweet should be covered by an aluminium foil. Find the cost of the aluminium foil used for 400 such sweets at the rate of rupees 7 per 100 square centimeter. So what is given here? One sweet is, it is the shape of the diagonal, shape of the rhombus. The diagonals are given. It's covered by aluminium foil. It's covered by aluminium foil. So we have to find the cost of 400 sweets. One sweet's diagonal is given. We have to find the 400 sweets cost. So first we have to find area of one sweet. Area of one sweet. So area of one sweet is equal to what? Area of the formula half into d1 into d2. So area is equal to half into d1 d2 they given 4 centimeter 5 centimeter. So 4 into 5. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So area of the sweet is 100 square centimeter. 100 square centimeter. How many sweets we want? They prepare 400 sweets. They prepare 400 sweets. So area of 400 sweets. So one sweet is 110 means 400 sweets. Yes, 4 into 10, 4000 square centimeter. 4000 square centimeter. Next they given, find the cost of aluminium foil used for 400 such sweets at the rate of rupees 7 per 100 square centimeter. So one sweet is 100 square centimeter. 100. So every 100 square centimeter they need cost rupees 7. Every 100 square centimeter they need cost rupees 7. So 100 square centimeter is rupees 7 means our 400 sweets how much square centimeter area? Yes, 4000 square centimeter. How much cost? How much cost? So 4000 you divide by 100 and then you multiply by 7. 4000 first you divide by 100 and multiply by 7. So 2020 cancel. Remaining what is there? 40 into 7. So it is 280. 280. So 400 sweets cost is 280. Okay. If you understand, students, if you understand, after watching, you subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.